Welcome to my channel. If you've ever wanted to embark on a journey to learn Korean, you've come to the right place. In this series, we'll dive into the fascinating world of Korean grammar, designed especially for beginners. Whether you're a total newbie or have a basic understanding of the language, our goal is to make learning Korean grammar fun, engaging, and accessible. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this beautiful language together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.